you could say part 2 of yesterday's video. So yesterday I did the Ipsy unboxing for the Glam Bag Plus. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is the original Glam Bag. This one's a little bit bigger because I have some add-ons, and I'm going to show you what I have in here. But so the Glam Bag was $10 a month, but they just changed it. So starting in October, it will be $12 a month. But Ipsy is stepping up their game. Not that they needed to, because they were already amazing. But I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you what it looks like to get the Ipsy Glam Bag. If you haven't seen my video from yesterday, I'm going to link it in the description below, and that way you can also get an idea of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, okay? So again, this bag will now be $12 a month, but completely worth it, and it's free shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out, put that to the side. Okay, so these were some of my add-ons. Okay, so the first thing that I got as an add-on, I really wanted this, and some people got it in their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Instead, I got the palette, and so one of my friends wanted the palette, I wanted this, so I'm just gonna send her the palette, and I went ahead and did this as an add-on. But it is the Glam Glow, which I love this company. It's the Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. It says Hollywood, California. But anyways, the packaging is really cute, and I can't wait to try it. Everything I've tried by Glam Glow so far I've really enjoyed, so I kind of wanted to continue with the trend of trying things. As far as eyeshadow palettes, I'm already kind of trying to go through the ones I have now because I have plenty. And so anyways, this was another add-on I did. So this brush is by Farrah. So I don't know if you guys can see by looking at it. It's like, it goes to like blue at the tip, or indigo color. It's really pretty. So I wanted that. And then they also had another brush that they were selling. And this is by Farrah, and it's the same thing. It's like this indigo color. It's really pretty. So I snatched those two up. I also got, because I told you guys I love Ofra Cosmetics for their lippies and also their highlighters. So they had this lippy on there that was actually like a lip gloss, and I thought it looked really pretty. So this is the color I got, and I can't wait to try it out. I have lip gloss on right now from Ofra that kind of looks like this. See, the ones I have usually have a color to them, but this one looks like it's going to be more clear just with a tint, and that's why I wanted to try it. Okay, and then I got this guy in there. Got freaking mascara on my nail. I got this in there, and I wanted to try that out, and I'm actually going to try it right now on camera. But it's by Benefit Cosmetics, and it's the Gimme Brow. And I haven't gotten my eyebrows tinted lately, so I wanted to check this product out. This is what it looks like. Most of you have probably already seen it, but I don't own one. So I want to try it real quick. I'm not really good at doing eyebrows, so please close your eyes if you're if you think you're gonna learn something from me, because you won't when it comes to eyebrows. So yeah, I don't want like the harsh eyebrow look like some people do, where they have to draw the square and do all the shaping and stuff. I just want mine to have more of a tint and darken them up. And the reason is because they keep thinning the older I get. And so yeah, so that's how that looks. So this is, oops, sorry. This is with the Gimme Brow, this is without. I think that looks really good. But yeah, I like the more natural look of an eyebrow than the kind of full on where it just looks like you painted it on. I don't know. I just don't like that as much. Some people love the thick eyebrow look. I don't mind eyebrows that are thick, but I don't like where you can tell it's like caked on with a bunch of product. But that's just me. So I just paint my regular eyebrows if I'm gonna do it, just to get them dark enough. A little bit darker, you know. And that's it. And normally I go get them tinted, and that's just is them kind of dyeing your eyebrows. And it lasts for a few weeks, and I like that because I don't have to do anything with my eyebrows when I do a makeup look. So, but again, I haven't been in a while, so that's why I have to add a little bit of product. This seems really easy to use. I'm glad I did it as an add-on. I really wanted to try it. This one's always raved about. I had bought a whole kit. I believe it was from this company, and everything was dried out. And this was like over the holidays, so I don't know what was going on with that, so I just returned it and never got another one. So this is my round 2 of giving them a chance. But yeah, it seems pretty easy. And let me see if it has the shade. No, I don't see it. I think there were 2 to choose from. One was like a light to medium, the other was like medium to dark. So I chose medium to dark. Now I'm just gonna kind of brush those through. Make sure that I've coated my eyebrows on both sides. And continue on with this video. All right. So yeah, not a huge drastic difference, but I think they definitely show up a little bit more. So I like that. All right, so let's get into the bag. So every month you're gonna get a bag with the Ipsy Glam bag. And this one's really cute. It has like constellations on it. I've been saving mine up every month, and I'm thinking about donating them to like a women's shelter, so they can have like a whole bunch of like makeup bags and stuff to pass around to the ladies. But I don't know. I think that's gonna be a good idea. I feel like they would enjoy it, but who knows? Y'all let me know in the comments below if you think that would be a good idea. But I feel like they probably don't get stuff like this too often. I think a lot of people give them like hygiene products and things like that, but maybe they, you know, it'd be nice to get their own little makeup bag or coin purse or something like that. I don't know, just something to make you feel pretty again. So here we go. Here is what it says. It says find your light. September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Hashtag discover yourself. So that's probably why they did the constellation. Okay, so the first item that's in here. So you're always going to get 5 deluxe sample or full-size products with Ipsy Glam bags. So that's why these are going to be smaller than the video you saw yesterday. But again, this will be a $12 bag. The other one was $25. So this is Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Shimmering Oil. It says, based in Umbria, Italy, this brand's products are made by one of the world's largest truffle producers. This nourishing dry oil mines the antioxidant-rich properties of black winter truffles to protect, moisturize, and boost your skin's radiance. Bonus, it's great for all skin types. So that's good to know. There's a tip. Apply 2 to 3 drops of this oil into the palm of your hand and gently pat all over your face until thoroughly absorbed. I think I have one of these, but I think it's like in a bigger bottle, so I might be putting this like in a giveaway. It's really pretty. It has like glitter in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really pretty. So I might be putting this to the side for a giveaway. Speaking of which, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please hit the like button while you're here for everybody. And if you're new, please feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you. Please join our family, our friends. This is a great channel where we all get to know each other, encourage each other. There's no drama here, and I love it. And so anyways, feel free to stay. I do unboxings, I do get ready with me's, I do makeup reviews. I'm going to be doing live streams every Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Times. I have giveaways on this channel as well as really fun collabs, and my collabs will usually have giveaways as well. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out, and also you don't want to miss out on the great friendship show build with the subscribers. So anyway, let's see what's next, guys. So this item is bubble wrap, so I'm gonna have to bust this open. It says it's by La Beauty Fatale Cosmetics, matte liquid lipstick and tough love. La Beauty Fatale Cosmetics formulas are cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. This creamy, lightweight liquid lip formula coats your lips in full coverage color that lasts all day. And we're loving the matte mauve shade, which looks fab on all skin tones. Tip, twist the body of the pen until the formula comes out about 30 times, then swipe onto your lips. And I saw this on the website, and I had already made up my mind I was going to pass this on. So I'm not going to do the clicking thing, but this is what the brush will look like when you paint it on. And the color is a very deep mauve shade. So this is the clicker thing that you would click. So if you do win this in a giveaway, just keep in mind, click it about 30 times and then the color will come out. You just paint it on. So it's a liquid lipstick. If you can see this color, that's what it's going to look like. But it's a really pretty color, especially for fall. So anyway, I just stocked up on so many Jeffree Star lippies that I'd really be wasting this and it'd be sitting on my lip drawer, and I'd rather pass it to somebody who will use it. So the next item is Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. So this is the box for that. Okay. It says this rich yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, and avocado oil to instantly moisturize, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve your skin texture. Advanced hyaluronic acid technology keeps your skin glowing and smooth for a full 24 hours. Tip, massage evenly over freshly cleansed face, neck, and chest, AM and PM. So that's really cool. Again, I have a lot of these types of products, and so I'm putting stuff like this away for the giveaways because I'm going to be doing them pretty much every Saturday. I might skip a Saturday or two for giveaways, we'll see, but as of right now, I've got plenty of stuff, so hope to see you there, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so the next item is by my fave. So this is Ofra Cosmetics. Let's see. It is called Sweets. Okay, Ofra Cosmetics, Ofra and Madison Sweet Stuff Blush. This limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofra Gaito and beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This dusty pink nude blush can be worn dry or wet to intensify it and as an eyeshadow, so you can use it as both. Tip, swirl a fluffy blush brush into Sweet Stuff Blush and tap off any excess. Smile big, see the apples of your cheeks. Don't blush onto them and blend. Just blush onto them and blend. Don't blush. Okay, so this is what that looks like. This is the color. Now, I did just get an Ofra palette that had this blush and 2 different highlighters in it in the bigger bag. So, more than likely, this is going to go into the giveaway for you guys. If you look up Ofra Cosmetics, these are not cheap. So, this is a great product, and Ofra is a great company anyways, and trust me, any product you get from them, you're going to love. So, I love the fact that Ipsy sends you stuff like this. $12. So, amazing. All right, so here's the next thing. Again, it is in bubble wrap. They want to make sure your stuff does not break, and I also appreciate that. So this is what this product looks like. So this is the Beauty Crop eyeshadow in Serin. The folks behind the Beauty Crop create simple, effective, high-performing products inspired by healthy living, utilizing plant-based ingredients and natural oils in everything they make. This metallic plum shadow is buttery smooth, richly pigmented, and perfect for fall. Tip: using a fluffy shadow brush, sweep the shadow across your entire lid. Dampen the brush for a bolder effect. So this one is sealed shut. And since it's a single shadow, I'm definitely putting this in a giveaway. Because again, I just told you guys, I am full up to here with eyeshadow palettes. And I keep buying them, which is crazy. But some companies come out with some that I just can't resist. Like ColourPop just came out with a new one. I think it's called Jewels or something. Bejeweled. I can't remember. It's so pretty. So that one's coming in the mail soon. And I'll be doing a review on it, of course. But I don't like wasting products and having them just sit here if I can give them to somebody else. So if I can do that, I will. And I give them to you guys in giveaways. So this is Ipsy, the normal glam bag for $12. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I will also leave a link so that you can sign up to Ipsy if you're interested. Yes, this link will help me out. It will give me 600 points. The points go towards the Ipsy shop to where I can purchase products, and I use those products, as you can see, to turn around and get back to my channel and my subscribers and give away and giveaways. So and once you have an account, you can do the same thing. You can pass on your link to your friends, family, co-workers, YouTube channel, Instagram, whatever social media, and you can start earning points. So it's a really great company. I think you should check it out. You guys, please smash the like button before you leave. Don't forget, you can't spell Reginald without Gina. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.